7.3 special right triangles. So there's two types of special right triangles. You have the 45, 45, 90. So it looks kind of like this, half of a square. And then you have a 30, 60, 90, which is like half of a rectangle. So that's the 30, that's the 60, that's the 45-degree angle, that's the 45-degree angle. So on these, the 45, 45, 90, you have the hypotenuse, and then you have two legs. So leg, leg. Then on this other one, the hypotenuse is here. Then you have the short leg, and then you have the long leg. So that's what I'm going to refer to in this video, are these images here of these triangles. So with the 45, 45, 90, I think this is the easier of the two types. This is 45. These legs are the same. So if this is 10 here, this is also 10. If we want to find the hypotenuse, here's the formula of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equals leg times square root of 2. Everything on this is just all of these shortcuts. So hypotenuse equals leg times square root of 2. The hypotenuse is A, the leg is B, the leg is 10, square root of 2. So that's the answer. If you're going the other way, the formula that's up there, leg equals hypotenuse times square root of 2 over 2. So in this case, it's going to be A equals 44 square root of 2 times square root of 2 over 2. So what's going to happen here is you have 44 right here. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. Square root of 4 over 2, which is 44 times 2 over 2, which is 1, so it's just 44. So this is 44. If that's 44, this is also 44. So that's this red one, the 45, 45, 90 triangle, just two formulas. For this blue one, you have three sides, and each side has a different formula. So you have the hypotenuse, the long leg, and the short leg, and then I gave you two formulas for the short leg, just based on what you have. So this is the short, this is the long, and this is the hypotenuse. So just copy the formulas from up here. Hypotenuse equals 2 times short leg. So hyp equals 2 times short. So hyp is x, 2 times 8. So x equals 16. Then for the long, the formula up there for the long is long equals short times square root of 3. So long is y. Short is 8, square root of 3. Then you're done. Those are the two answers. So on Canvas, it's like the first blank is 8, and then the second blank is 3. I know that's important, because it gives you two blanks for those. It's the same thing here. You have the short, so you get the height equals 2 times short, and then long equals short times square root of 3. So height is x equals 2 times 2 square roots of 3. So if I bring 2 square roots of 3 to the party and you double it, then we're bringing 4 square roots of 3 together. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just going to keep going. I thought I'd explain that another way, but No, I'm not. Y equals short 2 squared, oh yeah, because this is going to come up here anyway. So over here, these 2's can go together. And then over here, the 2 doesn't go with that, the 3 goes with this. So y equals 2, 3 times 3 is 9, and square root of 9 is 3. So y equals 2 times 3. So that's 6. There you go. There's your y, there's your x. So pretty straightforward. Like with this, the 45, 45, 90, like if you had 20 here, that means this is also 20, this is 20 square roots of 3. So once you have one of them, you have all of them. The blue one is where you have to be a little bit more careful. So like here's your 30, 60, 90 triangle. If you have this number, let's say this is 10, this is the easiest place to go. Because for here, you double 10, so that's 20. For here, you just put 10 square roots of 3. That's it. Like if this was 40, 44, then over here you double it, 88. And then here it's the same thing again, 44 square roots of 3. So it's just these patterns, these shortcuts, you just follow them. If you understand the patterns, you don't need the formulas at all. But that's special right triangles.